the cost of breaches is, astronomical for an SMB. It's on average $47,000, I believe. I don't think that accounts for, damage to reputation and downtime.
So many SMBs believe they're too small to be attacked. They think that their attack surface is very small, they're less valuable to an attacker. This isn't the case. 71% of data breaches involve SMBs. 60% of small businesses that suffer a ransomware attack close within 6 months. There's a couple reasons for this. It could be inadequate backup or recovery procedures, or it could be brand damage, just their reputation suffers.
The email has gotten so much more dangerous over the years. It's not a spam problem anymore. It's a malware and phishing playground for attackers. You definitely need to focus a lot of resources on locking that down as best you can.